Good Friday morning, and thanks for logging on to TDSweather.com. I'm meteorologist Joseph Cooper with your Northern Illinois and Southern Wisconsin forecast for today. Out there this morning, we have temperatures in the middle 30s to the lower 40s across the area. Dry conditions are in place, and overall for today, going to be a dry day of weather before we start to see some rain showers in here as we go on into the evening and overnight. So getting into the next few hours, going to see a lot of sunshine out there today as we work through 8, 9, 10, 11 o'clock on into noon, 1 p.m. Notice a couple sprinkles out in northwestern portions of Illinois into the early and the mid-afternoon hours. As we go into 4, 5, 6 o'clock, we'll stay dry here in northern Illinois. Clouds will increase, and I do think as we work towards 7, 8, 9 o'clock, we'll start to see some isolated showers out there, mainly north of the I-88 area initially this evening. We will see a little bit greater coverage back up into southern portions of Wisconsin. As we go into 10, 11 o'clock on into midnight, 1 a.m., notice the showers out there. I think we'll probably see some scattered showers this evening into the overnight. Again, mainly north of I-88, places down south towards I-80, maybe an isolated shower or sprinkle overnight. Some greater coverage into far northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin. As we go on into 5, 6, 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, it's not totally out of the question that a couple wet flakes occur into the pre-dawn and dawn hours tomorrow, generally probably 4 to 9, 4 to 8 a.m. mainly into southern and southwestern Wisconsin, but even north of I-90 into northern Illinois, it's not totally out of the question. A wet flake could occur if we get cold enough overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. This is 8 o'clock, and you can see a couple of those areas of blue showing up for the first time. And as we go on into 9, 10, 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, showers continue, rain showers by mid to late tomorrow morning across southern Wisconsin into northern Illinois. We will probably see a lot of the focal point of the rainfall initially tomorrow morning north of I-88. Now, one thing we will watch out for is the possibility of a little meso load to develop tomorrow morning across western portions of the lake. If that were to occur, places from Milwaukee down to Chicago could see some periods of heavy rainfall tomorrow as we work in through the morning hours into midday. It's, while the confidence, is somewhat low, there is that possibility as we go on in through tomorrow, then that meso low comes to an end and moves out of the area into the early afternoon. But we're still going to see showers tomorrow as we work in the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 p.m. So it will be kind of a soggy day of weather. While most of this will tend to be light, there may be a few moderate downpours here or there. As we go on into tomorrow evening into 9, 10, 11 o'clock on into midnight, most of that precipitation fizzling out tomorrow evening into tomorrow night as we head into Sunday morning. Dry day of weather expected for us here on Sunday as we work through the morning into lunchtime, going into Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, Sunday night, and then on into Monday. Just a very isolated shower chance Monday morning with a little boundary passing on through. Rainfall amounts, I think most of us will probably end up with a 10th to maybe 1,500ths of an inch or less across the area. But like I said, if you get that little area of low pressure tomorrow morning developing over the lake, potentially a 3/4 of an inch, maybe even an inch of rainfall locally out there for counties closer to the lake from Milwaukee down into Kenosha, Racine, Cook County, Lake County, Illinois. So that potential is there, although, like I said, there is some uncertainty with that. Taking a look at temperatures for today, we're going to be into the low to mid 50s for most of us, some upper 50s south of I-80. Winds are going to be from the west and northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting to 20. Then overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, you can see some low to mid 30s out there into portions of southwestern Wisconsin, northwestern Illinois. So that's what I'm saying. There could be a couple areas of wet snowflakes out there tomorrow morning into those pre-dawn and dawn hours. The rest of us into the middle to upper 30s. Far less chance of any kind of snow mixing in into northeastern Illinois thanks to some warmer air there. Taking a look at temperatures for tomorrow, it is going to be a cool day of weather. Upper 40s to low 50s across the area. Next 7 days for Chicago. 54 today and 51 tomorrow. 53 Sunday, 59 Monday. You can see some of those rain chances in there, mainly tonight into tomorrow. An isolated shower Monday morning possible, and then 59 on Tuesday, 62 on Wednesday, and 58 on Thursday with more sunshine next week. That's all I have for you this morning. Thanks for logging on. Have a great day.